Today we're diving into a little spa magic with the Kneipp bath salts. Here I have 4 delightful one-shot sachets from the classic German wellness brand. Now, depending on what Amazon storefront you're on right now, you might neither get these formats nor the full range of Kneipp bath salts. I think there are over a dozen of them, but at the very least, you should be able to get a few in the standard bottle size. So first up here is Forest Ritual. Gute Luft, this sachet here. It's a repeat purchase for me. I think about, I don't know, crisp pine and deep forest vibes that literally transport you to a woodland retreat with just a little sprinkle. Yeah, there's not much in here, but it's good for a bath. Next, we have Sandalwood and Patchouli. This is a rich, earthy meditation bath in a packet. Warm, woody notes that feel grounding and elegant. Next here I have Rosemary and Thyme, and I haven't tried this one yet. This is my first time with this scent. I'm anticipating something bright, herbaceous, and invigorating, and I'm probably going to go for this one on a Sunday afternoon. Tonight is going to be the Patchouli. And finally, I have here Yuzu and Ginger. This one is uplifting and invigorating. I've enjoyed this one a few times before too. Now, Kneipp has been crafting natural bath products since 1891 using mineral-rich thermal spring salts and essential oils for a calming, skin-softening soak. So if you're like me, you'll love them for the quality, lovely scents, and a way to upgrade your bath time. So check them out.